In this video, I'm going to show you how you create these cool, amazing text animations using Wondershare Filmora. So here we are right inside of Filmora. I'm currently using 12.5 version, which is the latest version. So they are adding super great title animations. Just go to titles. In title drop downs, we have a VFX text, which is actually a new text animations right here. As you can see, we have a lot of text animations that you can use as an intro or outro. We also have a subscribe button right here. So let me show you one more thing. If we go with this light flash one, here we have, so it's actually a simple text, no animation right here. So for getting animation, go to animations, and here you can see we have a newer option, which is in, out, and loop animation. In animations, we have a lot of effects that you can actually use, and one of my favorite is a typewriter. As you can see, it looks really cool. You can match it with your audio and make it looks good. And also we have outer animations, and lastly we have a loop animations. Here we also have some advanced text animations that you can run in a loop. So we have a glitch, the mega glitch, and also the best thing I love about the loop animation, they are giving you the flash flicker effect, which is really my favorite one, as you can see. So in this way, you can create your text animation. You just need to create a simple text, go to animations in a loop. You can put any text animation that you are like, as you can see. You can also go to advanced button and change the settings. You can go with any setting that you really want to do. We also have some other animations. Yeah, this RGB effect looks really good, as you can see. And the last one we have is neon effect. Yeah, it looks really amazing. And more than that, they also add some 3D titles that you can use in your videos. So let's try out this one. Just drag and drop it in our timeline, and there we are. As you can see, it looks really good. You can use any one of it that you actually like. Yeah, it looks really great. So in a 12.5 version, they are also including audio visualizer effects. For getting this, just go to effects, go to audio effects, and here we have our audio driven effects. As you can see, we have a lot of effects that you can synchronize with your audio and you can use it in your videos, right? So here are some examples that I use this effect. So yeah, that's a short Filmora update video. You can try out Filmora for free. Download link in the description below. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you like this one. If you like this one, give me a big thumbs up and comment down below if you have any question about this software. Please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.